Both teachers and students may want notifications of comments, when grades are posted, when assignments are submitted, etc. So how to change that? Everyone has to change it on their own, and you would do that under the account feature. So over here you'd hit account, and the first thing you really should do is check your settings. You may have a cell phone number or an alternative email that you would prefer. So you want to scroll down, and under ways to contact or other contacts, you can add another email address, and you can go ahead and even add a cell phone number if you want. Okay, so you have that option if you would like it to pop up. Once you confirm that your ways of getting contacted are appropriate and that's what you want, you would then go to the notifications setting. So of course this will be a little bit different if you're a teacher or a student as far as what is getting posted, but it is pretty similar. So if you would like to be notified immediately, then you're looking for this check mark right here. You would click on that. If you would like a daily summary, which generally comes at the end of the day, and I'm not sure, but I think you can set that time up, you would click this one. If you want a weekly summary, you would click the calendar. And if you do not want any notifications, you would click the X. So be very careful about what you click. You can go through. A really important one would probably be announcements. Any announcements for students, you would want that right away. Any submission comments, any grades that are being posted, you would want alerted immediately. It'd probably be a good idea if there's a discussion post, any type of appointments, all of those you would want posted maybe right immediately. So go through and check all those, set them how you want, and if you have any questions, just let me know.